Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about one of the most bizarre internet personalities ever, Sexy Vegan. He made headlines for his outrageous behavior on Dr. Phil and became a viral sensation. But where is Sexy Vegan now? Let's break it all down. Sexy Vegan, whose real name is Hansel Marion DeBartolo III, is a self-proclaimed beautiful vegan messiah who first gained attention after a wild appearance on Dr. Phil in 2017. Known for his eccentric fashion, blue Speedos, and a mirror he carried everywhere, Sexy Vegan became an internet meme and a controversial figure in the vegan community. After going viral, Sexy Vegan built a following on social media, posting videos promoting veganism with his over-the-top personality. But his fame didn't last forever. Over time, his shocking antics and bizarre behavior overshadowed his message, and eventually, things took a very dark turn. In 2020, Sexy Vegan was arrested and charged after posting an inappropriate video involving his pet dog. He later entered a plea deal and was sentenced to probation, community service, and mandatory counseling. This incident completely changed the trajectory of his online persona and led to a huge backlash. Where is Sexy Vegan now? These days, Sexy Vegan has stepped away from the spotlight. Our findings indicate that he now lives in Miami. But while many would think he would turn a new leaf after his controversies, he is still causing trouble. Many say he has a mental challenge that needs proper rehabilitation. In March 2023, he was arrested on a weapons charge in Miami. He looks really spent in the mugshots. As of now, the most recent updates we have on him are that he has a website, sexyvegan.net, where he shares his naked videos with his followers. He also sells private one-on-one sessions on his Telegram account. Sexy Vegan's story is one of the strangest internet sagas, from viral fame to serious controversy. What do you think about his rise and fall? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stories about internet icons. Until next time, stay safe and take care.